Hello, today we're gonna see how to solve another creative problem that it's called Patchouli's magical talisman. Well, basically they are asking us to determine what is the minimum number of operations that we have to perform in a given array in order to make all of the numbers odd. And for this we can select two numbers and we're gonna remove them and we will add a new number with the sum of these two, and the other operation is reduction. Well, basically we take a number and we split by 2 if it's an even value. So our goal is that all of our numbers are odd at the final. So let's see how we can solve it. Let's try with this problem, with this test. Okay, so basically what they are telling us is that we can select two numbers a and b and we can form a number c that is the sum of these two numbers, or we can select a number a and if it's even then we can form a number a split by 2. Well, we have these two operations and our goal is that all of the numbers are odd at the final. Odd means that they are not divisible by 2, so our module is going to be 1. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. And the even numbers are the ones that can be split by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So let's see how we can address this problem. We have to notice something. We just need to form an odd number, and in order to form it we know that if we add an odd value plus an even value we get an odd value. So with this we know that we just need to get an odd value, an odd number, and we can add this number to all the even numbers, because even if we get the 2 by splitting by 2 we get 1 and we get one operation. But let's say if we have the number 3 and we add it to the number 2, we're gonna get an odd number and we're gonna require one operation. So the main idea to address this is that if we have an odd number, we just add this odd number to all the even numbers. So at the end our solution is going to be, if all are odd, we know that we print 0 because they are already all odd. Otherwise, if we have an odd number, we just gonna print the numbers of even, because this is the operation that we require, because we will add the odd number to all the evens. And otherwise, if we don't have any odd, we will have to get what is the even numbers which take the less operations to become odd, to be odd. And for this, let's look at something. Let's have 1, 2, 4, 8. So let's say that we have the number 8. This is the number 8 in bit representation. We have the number 4, we have the number 2. Okay, so let's say, what do we need to do in order to get an odd number? Well, basically what we are gonna do is that we will split by 2. We will split by 2 and we will check if it's already odd. And odd numbers are the ones that have a turn bit in the first number. So in this case, this is gonna take us 3 because we're gonna divide 3 times. This is gonna take us 2 and this is gonna take us 1. Let's see what happened with the 6. Well, the 6 is here, so we just have to move 1, so it will just take 1 operation. So with this we can know which is the minimum number in order to get a knot, and after that we're gonna just sum this one plus the number of even minus 1 because we already convert this to odd. So let's code it. So I'm gonna code it with C++. So let's read the test cases. And let's read the numbers. So let's count if we have evens. So let's see, if we don't have evens, we are gonna just print 0. Otherwise, we're gonna check if we have an odd number. And since we have the size in the count, we know that if it's different to 0, we know that we have an odd number. So we're just gonna print count. And otherwise, we're gonna get the minimum. Sorry, I think it's max. But I don't remember. So let's do it. We're gonna iterate over the array and we're gonna check what is the minimum number. So we're gonna split by 2 until it's different than 1. So we're gonna do m2. This is the value of our k, and our solution is going to be equals to in m sorry, let's count it here in x. And from here we just need to print our many minus 1 plus our even numbers. And with this we have our solution. So let's see if this works. Sorry, it's else if. Let's compile. Here it's m. we got the value. Let's submit it. Well, we got an accepted. Please feel free to comment and train in DSA Code Trainer. Thank you.